y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and yeah, my cats just disappeared on me, didn't they? They've been up here all day. Who knows? Well, today we have a Birch Box. Birch Box is a makeup and beauty subscription. For $15, you get 5 deluxe samples of different products. If you want, you can commit to a year, get it for $13. And if you want to try it, please use my code. Well, it doesn't give me anything, but it does give y'all half off your first box. So VIP 50, and you'll get half off your first box. So let's see what is inside this box. Oh, I'm so excited. I love the samples. Oh. You can also, by the way, get limited edition boxes through them, but this is their normal monthly box. So I want to see, let me see what's inside. So here's my box. By the way, inside of here, they do send reusable boxes. Last month, I got this great, it was like a, not plastic, but that, forget what it's called. Anyway, clear box. I'm using it as a divider in my vanity, and I absolutely love it. I really hope they sent some more of those. I don't think this one tells you like a version or anything on here. We're going to see what's inside. Okay, so it's not one of those plastic boxes, but it is a pretty box. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness, I love the colors. So, here's what's inside. Ooh. 'Tis the season to be well. Holiday chaos, scratched out, calm. Cute. And on the back, you got what I have in the box. 'Tis the season to be well. Your December beauty box is filled with selections to brighten your holidays with peace, joy, and self-care. So let's see. All right. ACEOLOGY. I know this brand. This is a brightening treatment mask. Ooh, look at that beautiful A. Okay, let's see. Brightening treatment mask. The full size of this product, this is just the sample, but the full size is worth $69. This peel-off mask recharges skin from the surface for an instant brightening glow. Apply to a clean face and leave on for 30 minutes before gently removing in one single piece. Oh, I'm a little scared of those peel-off ones. I've never actually done those before. I normally do like the sheet mask or a mud mask, but I haven't done one of these, so we'll see how that goes. This says Drama Bomb. It is from UOMA Beauty. Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. Okay. Drama. And it is in Drama Bomb, I guess is the color. Let's see. This is UOMA Beauty. That's how you spell it. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. The full size is $10.95. This smudge-proof and water-resistant formula is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It glides on smoothly, adding volume and length to every lash without the hassle of applying falsies. Oh, I hope it really is waterproof and smudge-proof because, y'all, my eyes have been watering like crazy. Callie, what are you doing? Silly girl. Look how pretty the bottle is. Very cute. It almost has a look like I can't think of what it's called. Let's just look at it. That's what we got to do. We just got to look at it. Ooh. All right, it kind of has the hourglass shape to it. You see what I'm talking about? Nice little fine bristles. Little bit of a smell. Tiny bit of a smell. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Let's see how it goes. What's your favorite mascara, y'all? I've been using like crazy either the ColourPop mascaras, like the Act Natural one, I really love, or the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I'm using them a lot. Didn't use them today. I actually, well, the bottom is a ColourPop, but it's not the Act Natural. And the top I used, what did I use today? I think it was Charlotte Tilbury. But yeah, I'm curious to see how this goes. Did I get another hand sanitizer? I did. I just opened a hand sanitizer. How funny is that? So this is the Mercy Hand Namaste hand sanitizer. The full size is $4. Hand sanitizer has never been so fun. This hand cleansing gel leaves your hands soft and deliciously scented. Made with 67% alcohol and kills 99.9% of the germs. Because you got little thingies floating in there. Can you see the little thingies? I don't know if you can or not because I can't see the camera, but okay. Interesting. Y'all, I may have, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Oh, the little thingies came out. I don't know if it's glitter or what it is. We'll find out. Oh yeah, I like the scent of it. It's not overpowering or strong. What is the little thing? Oh, they're like those little things that they just dissolve away. That's cool. Very cool. I like that one. Ooh, look, my hand's feeling soft too. This is R+Co Television Perfect Hair Mask. So the full-size product of this is $42. Nourish and transform hair with this hydrating hair mask. Snow, mushroom extract, and coconut oil boost shine and elasticity while deeply conditioning. Okay, that's cool. I realize I put my camera so far away today. Oh, look. It's got little samples of the shampoo and conditioner in here as well. So the R+Co Television Hair Shampoo and Conditioner, the full size is $32. Happy Healthy Hair is a shower away thanks to the strengthening shampoo and conditioner duo that boosts body and shine and softness. Very cool. So you get to try the shampoo and conditioner and use the hair mask. That's pretty neat. I like when you get to use like a lot of the line of the product and you can really find out if you like the product or not, or the line. So this is Magnitone London Wipe Out Swipes Eco-Friendly Microfiber Makeup Removing Pads. Removes makeup with just water. Y'all, ever since makeup eraser came out, I've been seeing so many more of these. You just put warm water on them and it takes your makeup off. And then you cleanse after you've done that. Very cool. I love that they're doing that. It is a lot more eco-friendly because you're just washing the pad and reusing it instead of throwing all these little ones away. Very neat. Wipe Out eco-friendly makeup removing pads. A full size is $20. These remove even the toughest long-wear makeup with just warm water. Wet and use a circular motion to gently wipe away makeup. To clean, just wash in your normal laundry load. So, yeah, I mean, very cool. And I love that they're in little powder puffs. That is super cute. Oh my goodness. Look, there's another one too. It's kind of pink. Very cute. Oh, they're so soft too. Oh yeah, I love a good puff. And oh, you can just, and the great thing about this, if you've got sensitive skin or sensitive eyes, you take your eye makeup with just water and this, and it's not going to irritate your eyes. I would know. I've got the sensitive eyes. But yeah, I love these. They're so soft. What is this? Beautifully conditioned skin. So it's just a little pamphlet that shows a few more of the products from that line. Very cool. Discover Supernaturals. Kelly, can you get in there? She's scratching at the bathroom door. Okay, very cool. So what did you think of this? Let's see. That's 7 products. Sample products, by the way. So you've got the makeup removing little puffs. Very cute. Oh, wait. I missed something. This is AirRepair Hydrating Serum. Yes, Protect and Prevent Serum. Full size is $26. Your skin will drink up this serum with hydrating hyaluronic acid and protective cloudberry seed oil. After cleansing and before moisturizing, apply 1 to 3 drops to face and neck. Oh, very cool. We do love a good serum. can't smell anything over that perfume I have on. But it does feel good. I can't tell you if it smells or not. But it does feel good. Very cool. I'm going to enjoy trying that. So you got a serum. You got the wipeout pads. You got the mask. The peel-off mask. The mascara, shampoo and conditioner, and the hair mask. And a sanitizer. So what do you think? Do you think that's worth the price? Do you think any of these products are worth it? Would you buy any of these products? Do you think we're going to like them? What do you think? I want to know all of y'all's opinions. Y'all comment below. While you're down there, I'd love it if you press the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and press that notification bell. And don't forget to watch out for what I might put over that community section. Sometimes I put stuff, sometimes I don't. Trying to get better. You know me. Oh, y'all, I hope y'all have a wonderful new year. Oh, let's enjoy 2022, okay? I know 2021 and 2020 and even 2019 have been kind of rough, but we're going to have a better year, right? It's going to be great. And we're going to spend it together. Thank you so very much for that. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.